BibleTalk's new study plan is a multi-level Bible-centered instruction method designed to lead a beginner student into more advanced and mature levels of Bible knowledge. The plan has the following 6 levels of graded Bible study material. Level number 1, Basic. This level includes 8 different video series. Video series number 1, Christianity for Beginners. Series number 2, Genesis, Foundation Book of the Bible. Series number 3, Luke Acts for Beginners. Series number 4, Grace for Beginners. Series number 5, Life of Jesus in Chronological Order. Series number 6, Christianity versus World Religions. Series number 7, Mark for Beginners. And Series number 8, and now these 3 remain, Faith, Hope, and Love. Each lesson in each series has a self-correcting quiz that confirms the viewer's completion of the lesson. When all 8 series have been viewed and multiple-choice quizzes completed, the student will receive a BibleTalk certificate of completion and can move on to the next level of study. Each level functions in the same manner, except the material becomes more challenging and the certificate of completion changes. For example, level number 2, Intermediate. This level issues a BibleTalk certificate of Bible competency. Level number 3, Advanced. This level issues a BibleTalk certificate of advanced Bible knowledge. Level number 4, Instructor. This level issues a BibleTalk Junior Instructor Certificate. Level number 5, Instructor 2. This level issues a BibleTalk Senior Instructor Certificate. And level number 6, Continuing Education. This level contains a variety of special topics for personal edification. In addition to the Bible study plans which help the student grow in faith, BibleTalk also provides resources to enable students to become teachers who are able to share their faith with others. These include the study plans themselves to provide basic teaching, student and teacher workbooks for those who want to teach the BibleTalk courses themselves instead of sharing the videos. Digital files are available containing the complete transcript of every lesson as well as all the PowerPoints so that a teacher can reproduce a live version of the classes that are on video. Even access to the quizzes for testing purposes are available. BibleTalk provides all the resources to enable viewers to grow their own faith as well as share their faith when the opportunity presents itself. And the great blessing is that all of these resources are free to view, download, and share. BibleTalk. Grow your faith, share your faith.